safety. Road safety is nothing but about the protection and security of all those who travel on roads. It encapsulates all from pedestrians to animal-drawn vehicles and from two-wheelers to all types of wheel transport. It has a double-sided and complementary exercise, and it can bear less fruit if it is minus to anyone. And that is to say, everyone has to respect others' rights and to see if one's is respected. Road safety has many faces, and pedestrian safety is a very imperative aspect in this subject. So the importance of this can be judged from the fact that is, according to the national statistical data, out of the total reported accidents, 42% are involving pedestrian in one way or the other. Besides, the share in children is much higher and with comparison to the adults. So this can be curtailed by creating an awareness of pedestrian safety through workshops and seminars, and also educating children by incorporating about the road safety in their syllabus right from the outset. And for example, green crosswalk and a proper way to walk on the roads. So at least 25% of the road accidents are involving motorcyclists who are riding their bikes without wearing helmets, and also youth showing up by performing stunts. So the general public, parents and youth can be briefly explained about the dismal consequences with the help of documentaries. So the conclusion of this is road safety collisions and incidents have more than one person to blame. However, the common reason is to blame the drivers because they doesn't know the conscience of adverse driving conditions. So the government could be made pressed to make can be make infrastructure safer and also to keep barriers on every road for the people who are coming and going. So thank you for giving me this opportunity.
A very pleasant good afternoon to all the official dignitaries present here. This is Tejasvi here in front of you to express my views on road safety, especially in India. First of all, safety is very important to all the road users. If we are not following the road safety, we may meet with an accident. Road safety is a state of mind, whereas accident is the absence of mind. According to Global Status Survey 2013, in India, every year, 231,000 people lose their lives due to accidents. And the accidents happening in Delhi are 40 times more than that of London. Why are these happening in our country? There are rules in our country, but still this happens. For example, if we take the rule, wearing a helmet, though it may not save our lives all the time, it may be helpful in some conditions. I can tell you one such example. There was a person, his age was above 60 years. Once he was traveling on an Activa scooty and then a bike came and hit him. He just fell down and he got onto the bike again and he was about to start. Then a person who drank and was driving car came and hit him again. Then he fell down and his head hit the road very hardly. It was bleeding severely. The doctors were not able to save him. He expired. He was also a diabetes patient, which has become another reason for his death. So, if he would have worn the helmet that time, it would have saved his life. His family would have been very happy now. So, an accident is not a bike or car falling on the road. It's a family being abandoned in a traumatic condition. It's a very painful experience for a family to lose a person due to accident. The next thing is, there are many rules in our country as I have just told you, but there is no awareness in people. For that, what we must do is, we must create awareness, especially in children, because they are going to be the future citizens of India. We must teach them the science and everything related to traffic in school itself. In the basic years, we find teachers teaching them about traffic lights and all, but nowhere we find the traffic symbols. accidents. For example, not only programs but movies can be taken on this. We have seen a Tamil and Telugu movie Journey. In that, a very great accident takes place. This has created a sense of fear in people, and at least some people might be careful about this. So, such things must be encouraged more and more by the government. And in India, if we see, there is a traffic police for every lane, but still accidents happen. People violate the rules, and I don't know whether I can speak it here or not, but I have seen widely that if a person violates a rule, a traffic police just catches him and asks him for a bribe. I don't know it's correct or not to speak, but I have seen this live. So what the people are thinking is, if I just get caught violating the rule, I can pay something and get out of it. So there's no problem. I can do whatever I want. But if you see in countries like China, there's not even a single traffic police on the road. But still no citizen dares to violate a rule. If a person violates a rule, then the CC cameras immediately capture it and sends a signal to the police. They chase him and catch him and give him the necessary punishment. So people are also following. The main thing is to avoid these road accidents and everything, there must be awareness created. People must feel that rules are very important. And another major cause for these accidents is drink and drive cases. People just drink and go on roads. What I can say is a person who drink and drive have 4 ways. The first one is if he is very much lucky enough, he will get back home safely. The second thing is if he is a bit less lucky, he will meet with an accident with small hurts and he admits in an hospital. And the third thing is he might hit someone and make an accident. He goes to jail. But if he is very much unlucky, he just meets with an accident and may go to hell. So a person who drink and drive have 4 ways. Those are home and then hospital and then jail or hell. So there is only 25% that a person who drink and drive can reach home. Only 25% chances. So this thing must be explained to everyone very clearly and we must bring awareness among the people. These things must be involved in the syllabus of the people. This is what I wish. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Jai Hind.
Good afternoon, I am Shivani of 10th class and here my topic is about how to prevent accidents. First of all, road traffic safety means the measure or a method to prevent the risk of a person using a road network from being died or from getting